So hi guys. So today I want to talk about how the traffic light work. I use the logic work to digital design the schematics of traffic light on the human side. So imaginally you are at the corner of the traffic light and you want to cross the street. So you want to hit the request button and wait for the green light. Actually and wait for the green light to turn on. At the beginning, we have two request signal. We have the power on reset signal and clear switch reset by people. Either one of them is off, so we have the engage combination. It will automatically trigger the clear signal and reset the whole system. So right here we have the power on reset signal E1 and clear switch reset by Bibo E1, and the engage will output one and is connected directly to the clear signal. At first we have the Bibo not request signal is high, so the red light is on. When we hit the request button, the request Bibo request signal will be turned to high and Bibo not request will return to low. So let me perform it. As you can see right now, it changed the Bibo request signal is turned to high and Bibo not request turned to low. So um and um and we have to wait for the clock signal at the rising edge in order for the red light to turn to green. So right here we have the clock signal. We have to wait 1, 2, and the red light right now it turned to the green into cycle. The reason why it's only execute on 2 seconds instead of like 15 seconds or 30 seconds in the real life, because for this system I decided to use the integrated circuit 74, which is a dual D-type flip-flop. We have only 2 bit signal output, and the 2 bit signal is opposite of each other. So if the Q signal is low, then the Q naught signal is high, and if the Q signal is high, then the Q naught signal is low. So that's why it takes 2 steps. Let me explain how the schematics work. So when I hit the request button, the Q signal will turn to high, and it connects directly to the clock signal. And on the clock signal, it will output for the people request it turn to 1. So when I hit the button, as you can see, the people request it turn to 1. And the people request signal is now is high, and the Q naught, which represent for the red light, is high, and we have the engage. So 1 and with 1, we have the output is 1, and it connect directly to the D inputs. For the character of the in IC74, so we need to have the clear signal, the preset, and clock signal to be high, or and the clock signal must have to be at the rising edge, and the input is control to the Q output signal. So when I hit and when I hit 2 step 1, 2, right now the red light turned to green, and we have